to take a look aboard the Kampai. It's a 92-foot Mangusta from 2004, selling for $1.6 million. It's got like a smaller, sporty feel to it. So this is the closet, of course, and we have a safe in here. You know, you have to keep in mind this is an older boat, but it's still been obviously redone. We've got flat screens, very nice. Let's take a look at the master bath or master head. Oh, this one has a bidet. I haven't seen that on a lot of the boats I've been looking at recently. Always makes me wonder if somebody European customized the boat. And have a little office space over here. Some outlets and various controls for the lights. I'd imagine a lot of the newer ones are going to have probably USB. Let's see, what about over here? Push drawers. And I'm assuming forward from here is going to be the VIP cabin.
We have received such an outpouring of sorrow, grief.
And we've got a television on. Let's just
it's
turn that off for the sound.
Heartening for me to see how the community supports this police department.
Okay, I'm not sure where the remote control is to try to turn this off. There's access up above. Figure out where that is later on. Wine chiller down here. So this entire ceiling, I didn't realize this all opens up. And which way would it slide? Back that way? And how long does that take for the whole thing to happen?
I don't know, it's pretty quickly because it's automatic. You just unlock that, it has two motors.
Okay, we're back outside. Let's take a look around the deck. And so that was the Kampai, which is, I hear that a lot. If you go to a Japanese restaurant, people drinking sake, it's kind of like saying cheers, sante, Kampai. Hope you enjoyed that video. Let me know by smashing the like button. If you haven't done so already, be sure to subscribe, ring the notification bell so you can come along on future adventures on this channel. I'll see you soon. Bye.